talking about makeup.
Your makeup looks really nice today.
Thank you. I kept it very simple.
I like that. It looks natural.
That's what I prefer for every day.
Do you wear makeup every day?
Not always, only a little.
What do you usually use?
Just foundation, mascara, and lip balm.
That sounds easy.
Yes, it doesn't take much time.
I sometimes feel my makeup looks too heavy.
Maybe you're using too much product.
Probably.
Less is better for daily makeup.
Do you choose your makeup based on your skin?
Yes, I choose products for sensitive skin.
That's smart.
Also, I always clean my face before makeup.
I forget to do that sometimes.
It really helps your skin.
What about eye makeup?
I keep it simple, just mascara.
No eyeshadow?
Only on special occasions.
I like natural colors too.
They're easy to wear every day.
How long does your routine take?
About 10 minutes.
That's perfect for the morning.
Yes, I don't like to rush.
Do you remove your makeup every night?
Always, even when I'm tired.
I need to be better at that.
Your skin will thank you.
I want to feel confident without heavy makeup.
That's the best feeling.
You're right.
Makeup should make you feel good, not stressed.
I really like that idea.
Just do what feels comfortable for you.
Thank you for the advice.
Anytime.
Calling the salon about untidy hair.
Oh my. My hair is so messy today. It looks untidy no matter what I do. I think I need to call the salon and ask for help. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Bloom Hair Salon. How can I help you?
Hi, I was at your salon 2 days ago and I have a small problem with my hair.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
My hair looks very untidy and messy, especially in the morning.
I understand. Is it difficult to style?
Yes, very difficult. It doesn't stay in place.
Does it feel dry or frizzy?
Yes, it feels dry and a little frizzy.
All right. Did you notice this right after the visit or later at home?
Mostly when I styled it at home.
That happens sometimes. Your hair may need a small adjustment or treatment.
I think so. I try to brush it, but it still looks messy.
Don't worry, we can help fix that.
Can I come in to fix it?
Of course. When are you available?
Do you have time tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow morning or afternoon. Morning would be better. All right, how about 10 a.m.? 10 a.m. works for me. Great, we'll smooth it out and make it easier to manage.
Thank you. Talking about the hairstyle.
All right, let's talk about the style you want today.
Yes, please. I want something simple.
Do you want to keep the length?
Yes, I don't want it too short.
Okay, just a small trim then.
Yes, just to make it look neat.
How do you like your hair? Straight or with some volume?
A little volume, but not too much.
Understood. Do you part your hair in the middle or on the side?
On the side.
All right. And around the face, soft or more defined?
Soft, please. I don't like sharp lines.
That will suit you well.
I also want it to be easy to style at home.
That's important. I'll shape it so it falls naturally.
Sometimes my hair looks messy after one day.
I'll remove some weight and smooth it out.
Thank you. I want it to look clean and fresh.
Of course. Do you use a hairdryer often?
Yes, almost every day.
Then I'll keep the style simple for daily use.
That sounds perfect.
Anything else you'd like to change?
No, that's all. I trust you.
Great, let's start.
Shampoo and hair treatment conversation.
Please sit back and relax.
Okay, thank you.
Is the water temperature all right?
Yes, it feels good.
I'm going to use a gentle shampoo.
That sounds nice.
Your hair feels a little dry, so this will help.
I can feel it already. It's very relaxing.
Good. Just let me know if anything feels uncomfortable.
Everything is fine.
Do you wash your hair every day?
Yes, almost every day.
That might make it dry.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's better to wash it less often.
I'll try to do that.
Now I'm applying a treatment.
What does it do?
It makes your hair smoother and easier to manage.
That's exactly what I need.
We'll leave it for a few minutes.
Okay.
Just relax and enjoy.
The final look haircut feedback.
All right, you're all finished.
Thank you so much. I really love my hair.
I'm glad to hear that. It looks great on you.
It feels so smooth and neat now.
Yes, it suits your face very well.
I've already received compliments today.
That's wonderful.
I feel much more confident now.
That makes me very happy.
You did an amazing job.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
I was worried at first, but now I'm very satisfied.
I'm glad we could fix it for you.
I will definitely come back.
We'd love to see you again.
All right, how much do I owe you?
The total is $35.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN.
Done.
All right, the payment is complete.
Great.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Before you go, I recommend coming back in 6 weeks.
That sounds good.
And don't forget to use the treatment we suggested.
I will. Thank you for the advice.
You're very welcome.
Thanks again. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care and see you soon.
Returning a product item. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to return this product, please.
Of course. May I ask why you'd like to return it?
Yes, I tried it at home, but it's not right for my skin.
I understand. Did you use it only once?
Yes, just once.
Do you still have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me take a look.
I think the color is too dark for me.
That happens sometimes.
I wanted something more natural.
Would you like a refund or an exchange?
An exchange would be better.
No problem. Would you like help choosing another one?
Yes, please. I'd appreciate that.
Do you prefer a lighter shade?
Yes, something light and natural.
All right, this one might suit you better.
It looks nice.
It's good for everyday makeup.
That's exactly what I need.
I'll process the exchange for you.
Thank you.
There's no extra charge.
Great.
Here is your new product and the receipt.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
I really appreciate how easy this was.
We're happy to help.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Healthy lifestyle discussion.
You look very relaxed today. Thank you. I'm trying to take better care of myself. That's great. What changes are you making?
I'm trying to eat better and sleep more.
That's a good start. How is your sleep?
Not very good. I sleep late.
Do you use your phone before bed?
Yes, every night.
That can make it hard to sleep.
I know, but it's a habit.
Maybe try putting your phone away earlier.
I'll try.
What about your meals?
I often skip breakfast.
Breakfast is important. Even something small helps.
Like fruit or yogurt?
Exactly. That sounds easy. Do you drink enough water?
Probably not.
Try to drink water throughout the day. I'll keep a bottle with me. Good idea. Do you exercise?
Yes, but nothing intense, just walking. How often? About 30 minutes a day. That sounds manageable. It helps both the body and the mind. I want to feel more energetic. Small changes make a big difference.
I like that way of thinking.
Don't try to change everything at once. You're right.
Just be consistent.
Thank you. This motivates me.
I'm glad to hear that. Face care routine.
Hello. How can I help you today?
Hi, I want to start a simple face care routine.
That's a great idea. Can you tell me about your skin?
My skin feels dry and sometimes it looks tired.
Do you feel tightness after washing your face?
Yes, especially in the morning.
Okay. What do you use to wash your face?
Just soap and water.
I understand. Soap can be too strong for the face.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's better to use a gentle face cleanser. How often should I use it? Twice a day, in the morning and in the evening.
All right, what should I do after that?
After cleansing, you should use a moisturizer.
Is that really important?
Yes, it helps keep your skin soft and healthy,
Even if my skin is dry?
especially if your skin is dry.
Okay, that makes sense.
Do you wear makeup?
Sometimes, but not every day.
When you wear makeup, it's important to remove it at night.
I usually forget.
Try to do it every night. Your skin needs to breathe.
I'll try to remember.
Do you spend time outside during the day?
Yes, I walk a lot.
Then sunscreen is very important.
Even in winter?
Yes, every day. The sun can still damage your skin.
Wow, I didn't know that. Many people don't. How much sunscreen should I use?
Just a small amount for your face and neck.
Okay.
Also, drinking water helps your skin.
I don't drink much water.
Try to drink more during the day.
I will.
A good routine doesn't have to be complicated.
I like that. I want something easy. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect. That sounds simple.
If you do this every day, you'll see results. How long will it take? In a few weeks, your skin will feel better.
That's great.
Do you have any questions?
No, you explained everything very clearly.
I'm happy to help.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
At the pharmacy. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
I'm not feeling very well, and I need some medicine.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
I see. Do you also have a fever?
A little, yes, mostly in the evening.
All right. How long have you been feeling like this?
For about 2 days.
Have you taken any medicine already?
No, not yet.
Okay, I can recommend something for the pain and the fever.
That will be great.
Do you have any allergies to medication?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Good. This medicine should help with your headache and throat.
How often should I take it?
Take 1 tablet every 6 hours.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, it's better to take it after a meal.
Okay, I understand.
Make sure you drink a lot of water and get some rest.
I will.
If your symptoms get worse, you should see a doctor.
All right, thank you for the advice.
You're welcome. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all for now.
That will be $8, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your medicine.
Thanks again for your help.
Take care and feel better soon.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Follow up and goodbye.
Hi, how have you been feeling lately? Much better, actually. That's great to hear. Did you try the routine we talked about? Yes, I did. I kept it simple. And how does it feel? I feel more relaxed and my skin feels better. That's wonderful. I also try to drink more water now. Small changes really help. Yes, I'm learning that. The most important thing is to stay consistent. I agree. I don't rush anymore. That's the right mindset. Thank you for all the advice. You're welcome. I'm happy to help. I feel more confident now. That's the best result.
See you next time.
See you. Take care.